in previous video we have been created one post, right? We have been created one post related to a on product. Okay, how it will be look? Okay, in previous video it was missing. When we have been refresh the page, it has been appeared. Okay, it will be looking like when someone searching about that particular person business. Okay, on right hand side it will be appear here. Okay, whatever the post they have been created, it will be appear here. If someone click on that particular button, it will take to a the particular page, which page we have been linked in a post, which page we have been linked in a post. Okay, then it is comes to a last one, learn about a review, how to manage a review. For example, here review, we'll go to a review. Okay, here we can see how if you have been already replied any of them, it will show here. If you haven't replied, it will show here, and all the reviews will be shown here. Received any responses, so that we haven't received any responses, because of that all are empty. Okay, so this here you can come and you can reply to the particular review, or you can delete that particular review also. So we can utilize this particular option, review option, to check what are your customers are giving feedback on your product or service or about your business, and you can reply back to them by saying thank you, or you can give the clarification if they are given any kind of the negative feedback. All the things we can do by using this review tab. Okay, this is all about how can we construct and manage the Google My Business account. One thing we haven't discussed, that is nothing but a website. Okay, we will discuss about a website when it comes to a Google sites. There much more customization we can do. For that reason, I will take up website building in a Google site. And Google Ads also, will not be creating an ad here. We'll create ads by using a Google Ad account. Okay, same thing we can create here also, but it will be much more customizations are there in a Google Ads account. So we'll use a Google Ad account and Google site to build a website. This is all about how can we manage a Google My Business account. Main thing we have to understand, we have to verify our account. Always remember that we have to verify our account. Okay, if you haven't verified, go through the verification here, note will come, click on that and verify first. Once you have been received the postcard, the verification code will be there. You just put that verification code, so that your business will be listed online. This is a nice product from the Google to manage a business online.